Welcome to Polymix plastic repair tutorial video. Clean the area to be repaired, removing all the dirt and plastic fragments. Always clean front and back side. Drill several holes around the area to be repaired. For best results, use a V-shaped drill and tip. Sand the area back and front with 50 grit sanding paper. Be sure to create a thin depression on the surface in order to leave room for the adhesive. Cut a piece of reinforcement film with the shape of the area to be repaired. Always be sure to have a good accessibility to the back side of the repair. Choose the right product based upon working and curing time you need. When opening the cartridge, always check that the two components flow out of the cartridge in the same quantity and that the orifices are clean before affixing the static mixer tip. Once static mixer is fixed, extrude a small quantity of adhesive just to be sure the two components are well mixed. Apply a good quantity of adhesive on the reinforcement film. Apply the reinforcement film in the back side of the repair, squeezing the adhesive through the holes to the front side. If necessary, apply additional adhesive on the front side of the area to be repaired. Use the contouring film to shape and to flatten the adhesive. Once the product is cured, remove the contouring film. Sand the adhesive in excess using 80 grit sanding paper. We always recommend using special sanding paper for plastic in order not to melt the plastic around the repaired area. Finish any repair with a special plastic Polymix skim coat easy to spread, and easy to sand. It guarantees a perfect smooth finish on any plastic part. Sand the skim coat with appropriate sanding paper for plastic. Finish the repair with plastic primer and paint. Polymix, bonding solutions for the collision repair industry.